Welcome to Catalina Treats Gluten-Free Kitchen. I'm Jessie and it's time to celebrate a brand new year.
Happy New Year!
We're making sparkling fruit salad. I'm going to start by toasting a few nuts and seeds together with a little bit of sugar, and that'll be our topping for the fruit salad. I'm going to put a little bit of maple syrup in a bowl, maybe about a tablespoon. Add in a few chopped pecans, pumpkin seeds, sliced almonds, and sunflower seeds. Add to that a little bit of sea salt from my new salt shaker special. Give that a quick mix together. And brush my baking pan with a little bit of coconut oil. All the nuts and seeds out onto the baking pan. So these are going to go in the oven for just a couple minutes on low broil. Got a lot of stuff to mix together here. Got some chopped up jicama, chopped up pear, chopped apple, some orange slices, some blackberries. These are jam grapes. These have a really deep, really jam flavor. They're really good, and they should add a lot of color. Of course, some chopped up strawberries. Nice little green with some kiwi. And regular purple grapes, red grapes. And banana. I like how it looks with the banana slices cut in half. So now we've got all that together in the bowl. Once again, add a little sea salt, just a touch. Now I'm going to pour over my sparkling apple cider. And I don't want way too much in there. I just want it to where it's going to give a nice sweetness and mix with the fruit. Oh, it smells good. A little bit more. Hear that fizziness. Everything all mixed together, and the sugar from the cider should keep things pretty well preserved, but you can add a little lemon juice also. Nice mix there. So now everything's mixed in with the salad. I'm going to use these almonds, sunflower seeds, pecans, and pumpkin seeds over the top just to make it pretty. Add a little bit more crunch, a little bit more texture. Another little touch you can add right before the party is you can add a few little sprinkles. These are just sugar sprinkles. Just a fun little added touch. just a few, and they probably will dissolve if they get down into the apple cider. But they just look fun. There you go, sparkling fruit salad. This is a collaboration with Molly Cakes and Justina's Country Kitchen, and some other folks that are going to join in. Hashtag New Year's Eve Desserts 2023. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends and family. We're always creating great new recipes at Catalina Treats Gluten-Free Kitchen.
Happy New Year!